Hello, I'm with NVRC and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the My Program Guide tool for registered activities. NVRC's My Program Guide tool allows you to choose the types of registered programs that you're interested in to create a PDF of just what you need. Then you can view the PDF on your screen, save it, or print it out. Let's start by heading over to the Programs, Visits, and Memberships tab. Wait for the drop-down menu and click on the My Program Guide tab. From here, enter your name and age in the entry fields and select to show only programs with spots available if you would like to only view what is available rather than programs with a waitlist available. Next, we will select our desired program types, such as skate, swimming, martial arts, multisport, and visual arts. Next, choose your desired locations. I'll be choosing varied locations within the North Shore. And lastly, choose to create your program guide. Once your program guide has generated, you'll be able to scroll through your customized program guide. You will notice at the top in the menu bar, there is an option to change the language of the page, to start again, or download this PDF. When you have downloaded the PDF, you can print it using your usual method of printing a PDF on your computer. For example, on a PC using Chrome, click the printer icon in the top right corner. Thanks for watching the video. For any assistance you may need, please reach our customer service department at 604-987-7529 and press 1.